This video demonstrates drills to improve your balance, flexibility, and guard retention for Hicho no Kata. Begin with crossed arms, keeping the kick retraction in front of the body and focusing on precision and balance. Next, lift the arms into a staggered guard while continuing the kick and increasing the downward movement of the body with each repetition. From here, lift the arms into a high guard, focusing on guard retention. Study how your guard moves to better understand the movement chain of this kick. Back to balance prep, cross the arms and kick with one leg into two targets of differing heights, retracting the kick in front of the body. Focus on precision and balance. Our remaining drills in this series maintain the leg in either a Hicho or a high knee position. Begin by holding onto your gi to train your balance, retracting the kick into a Hicho or high knee position. Progress to a stationary Hicho guard, focusing on balance, precision, and the downward movement of the body. Next, begin to move the guard for ukemi with each kick, as though blocking in Hicho no Kata. From here, raise the arms into a high guard, focusing on guard retention and the downward movement of the body. Our final drill of the series is a horizontal kick followed by a shutoken into the same target. I'm using no target here, as this is the drill that broke my target, much to the dismay of the spider I've been sharing it with.